So once it's plugged in, especially on keyless cars, so someone can't just plug their computer into your car and switch it on that way. Hey guys, welcome to the Spy Store. Today we're going to be looking at our OBD Anti-Theft Lock. So now we're going to unbox it. So I'll show you what's in there and then give you an overview of how to use it. So we'll open it up. You'll get a little diagram in there of how to use it and another little instructions and information guide. Then we open this up and in there you'll see the unit itself, your set of keys, and there's a little tool just to help you turn the key if it's a bit stiff. So here's the unit. I'll show you a demonstration on putting it in a car later on, but I'll give you a quick demo whilst we're here. So when you put it in your car, you'll see this bit, put your keys in. When you put it in your car, you'll want to have the keys in the on position, just like so. And then this bit here will be able to flap up. Under here, you'll see that there's a square cut out of this flap. This square just sits over the little notch that's on the outside of the OBD port to lock in place. And then you basically slot it on with this bit on the outside, flatten it, turn the key, pull it out in the off position, and you'll be locked, ready to go. This little bar here, you'll see there's a groove. This is just to help you turn the key if it's a bit stiff. You simply attach it on like that and twist. Pretty easy. So as this is designed to fit on OBD-II ports, they'll pretty much work with most cars made after 1996, as these cars are manufactured with this type of port. The OBD port, sometimes you might know it as the diagnostics port, but yeah, it's the same thing, usually underneath the steering column, just above the pedals. So this one is great for theft. So once it's plugged in, especially on keyless cars, so someone can't just plug their computer into your car and switch it on that way. We'll now take you through a quick demonstration of how to install it on an actual vehicle. So I'm just going to show you here how to actually connect it into your car. So you'll see here is the OBD port, and on this side there's a little notch, little knob that sticks out, and as you'll see in the video or earlier on in the video, there's a notch on here and this just clicks into it. So I push that up, twist the key, and that's in. Won't come out, and then to take it out, you use your key again, in, twist, push that in, and then pull it off. And then that's it. If you'd like to know anything else about this great product, feel free to get in touch with us. Thank you.